Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Oring Red Super 10. Today we are going to do the technical answers for Apar Industries. This particular industry is in this electrical equipment category, and this is what you are watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators depend on the stock, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators related to the stock. And coming to the data, we have data for this Apar Industries since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 14 for analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, you see, I'm taking this as the origin because until this point the stock was not doing great, and only after this point this stock started moving in the upward direction. Okay, since February 2014, this stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. New high 1, new high 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So the stock has reached its peak price in May 2017, and that time it was trading at 913 rupees. Okay, and today the stock is trading at 753. So that means what? That means the stock has come down, and right now the downward trend is going on. Actually, the consolidation phase is over, but after that, if the stock had been following its historical trend, it has to move in the upward direction, which it is not doing. And suddenly, after the consolidation phase, it rised up, and but again it went, and half of the way it went into another consolidation phase, and right now that phase is going on, and continuously it has been. Its stock has been going down. So the point is, so whether this stock is good for long-term investment or not. So yeah, we will come to that at the end of the video. We will conclude whether after going through the technical analysis and all other points, then we will see whether whether we can answer that question or not. Now, regarding the 20 moving average, this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50 moving average, and it is right now on the influence of positive super trend mode, which is very good. If you look at the relative strength, is strength of the stock is quite weak. You see that it is even below the midpoint. So right now it is at 46, which is quite weak. Okay, very weak. Can be considered as very weak. And if you look at the direction strength of the stock, it is going down. If you look at the positive and negative lines, both are converging, which is bad. Stochastics laterally down is below the midpoint for volume, but volume is increasing. Okay, and the momentum has already has already crashed the baseline, and it is going down. Okay, at the moment, from the technical analysis point, the stock cannot be considered for long term investment. It's a clear sign. And we'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and we will see what new movement it makes the next few days, and based on that we will take a decision. But until then, this stock cannot be considered for a long term investment. So this is the conclusion of the conclusion for this stock. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.